Hey there, fellow deal hunters. If you're an Amazon Prime Visa cardholder, you know how those reward points can add up quickly. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the simple process of redeeming your points for Amazon gift cards. This is a fantastic way to stretch your budget for your next shopping spree, whether it's for books, gadgets, or everyday essentials. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Chase account. That's right. The Amazon Prime Visa is managed by Chase, so head over to the Chase website or app and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Rewards section. It's usually front and center on your dashboard, but if not, look for the menu icon and select Amazon Rewards, or something similar. Now, here's where the fun begins. In the Rewards area, you'll see your available points balance. Select the amount you want to redeem. Remember, points typically convert at a 1-to-1 ratio for Amazon gift cards, so 100 points equals $1. Choose the Redeem for Gift Card option, and you'll be prompted to specify the gift card value. Double-check the details to make sure everything looks good. After you confirm your redemption, the gift card should be added directly to your Amazon account almost instantly. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation, and then you can start using it right away. One quick tip. Always check for any expiration dates on your points or promotions to maximize your rewards. There you have it. That's how you turn your hard-earned points into real savings. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy shopping, and see you next time.